fast. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest racing drone takeoff pad using as few tools as possible. This is the end goal right here. These are the tools and materials that you're definitely going to need. A screwdriver for whatever screws you're going to use, and some wood. And then there's some things that'll make your life a little easier. These are them. Drill, I don't know, hacksaw, sander combo thingy. You're going to want a tape measure, pencil, staple gun, and wood glue, and some clamps. Use the wood glue, trust me on this. Now there are a number of ways to do this, depending on what size wood you've got or are going to buy, and some hardware stores will even cut this to the sizes that you need. I'm going to be using a bit of cut-off wood that is 30 mils by 110, and then the length you'll need, obviously depending on how many you're making, it'll kind of look something like this. For these, the wood that I had available was two lengths of 30 by 60, and I just mounted them on top of each other and then used whatever leftover I had for the blocks in the middle. The actual sizes you're going to need for this side rail is two pieces that are 300 millimeters long or 30 centimeters long. The inside bit over here that I found works the best, you just need a piece of 120 millimeters or 12 centimeters. And there we have it, 300, 300, 120. Although, the way I like to do this, I'm going to split this 120 in half. Like so. Then our basic principle here is I'm going to bolt those on top of each other. One rail, second rail, and you'll have a launch pad. It is worth noting at this point that I'm by no means a carpenter, and I'm making this not to look pretty, but to be functional. So please nobody judge me on my carpentry skills or how neat and tidy the end product is. Right, as you can see, screw them together, put a bit of wood glue between them, just make sure that doesn't come apart. Next, going to clamp this together. Make sure that the front is sort of lined up, otherwise your drone is going to stick off the one end. And then the center block, you can see I've put it in there. I always leave a bit of a gap at the bottom. Yeah, I don't know, it's just something that I do. And there you have it. It's most of your takeoff pad done. Now obviously to finish it off, I cut these little triangular bits of wood to give it a bit of a lift in front. Bit of spray paint, stick or two, and then this is this sealing foam tape that you can buy at any hardware store. It's to seal doors and windows. Depending on what size wood you've used, get something that fits and stick it on top. Holds the quad really nicely. And that's it. I just realized I never said why I use a staple gun. These little triangular bits of wood, try drilling a hole through that. Really, really difficult. I just put a bit of wood glue underneath it, staple gun that down onto the frame, and it's done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be doing these more regularly. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, so give me a helping hand.